the government is now launching the largest and widest social protection program in our country's history. Pinakamalaki itong tulong ng ibibigay ng gobyerno sa mamamayan sa history natin. Karoon lang tayo nagkaroon ng problemang ganito. To make up for the loss of economic opportunities due to quarantine measures in the place of COVID-19. We have allotted 200 billion pesos for low-income households who are badly affected by the current crisis. Sila ang nasa informal sector and those who live day-to-day on subsistence wages or no work, no pay. Arrangements, beneficiary households will receive emergency support for their 2 months based on the regional minimum wage. However, I still count on everyone to also look out after their fellow men, their countrymen. To those who have more in life, I implore you to share in the cost of taking care of the less fortunate and keeping our society intact. They have also contributed to our prosperity in one way or the other. So let us support them in this crisis. Okay. Let it be said that in the hour of our country's greatest need, we all look out for and help each other. Buksan natin ang ating puso sa nangangailangan. I also appeal to the private sector to contribute in any way you can in dealing with this national emergency. We implore employers to do their part in protecting the welfare of the millions of Filipino households that belong to the formal sector and depend on their employers for continuous livelihood. For those who have silently helped away from the cameras, maraming salamat po. The government will provide a recovery package, especially to micro, small, and medium enterprises to help deal with the economic effects of this pandemic. My economic team is already creating the guidelines for this as I speak. To our farmers and our fisher folk, we have not forgotten you, and government is now employing quick response measures to help you during the crisis, as well as ensure food productivity, availability, and sufficiency during the period of the pandemic. Andito ang gobyerno.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.